Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make something so simple you can make it in less than 5 minutes. This is avocado mousse. So in my blend tech I put in 4 small avocados and I'm just going to add everything to it. There's a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, but you can use sugar or any kind of sweetener that you like. You can make it non-sugar if you want. And then I have 2 tablespoons of lime or lemon juice to keep it fresh looking, a dash of salt, and 2 cups of whipping cream. You can use whipping cream, almond milk, coconut milk, any kind. But if you use whipping cream, it's good for those of you who are on a keto diet because you want the high fat. And that's it. Now all I'm going to do is grind it up in a few seconds and it's done. Put it on slow at first. Wait. And it's done. Okay, I'm gonna put some in a bowl so you can try it. And you see the nice green texture, and it kind of looks like ice cream. So it's really good. It's kind of not too sweet. Let's see how it tastes. Good. If you want more sugar, you can add more sugar, but this is how it is. It looks like ice cream, and I tried to make this before, and usually when you do any kind of avocados like guacamole or some kind of salsa, the avocado gets kind of brown after a while, but this one stayed pretty nice even after a few days, so I like that. So, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment and subscribe if you haven't, so that I can make great videos. You support my channel, so the videos like this and all the others that we've done. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video like this. So if you have any comments, let me know, and you have any requests for me to make. So thank you very much. Mahalo.